Good afternoon everyone. We are at Department of Microbiology and we are preparing our demonstration video for COVID-19 antigen detection kit. I am myself Dr. Atul Garg, Assistant Professor in Department, Dr. Ashutosh. He will be working as a patient and we will be taking a nasopharyngeal swab from him. Dr. Akshay is the senior resident in that department. He will be collecting the sample and doing the test. Miss Nikki, she is our lab manager and Nikhil is having the video and Dr. Ujjwala Ghoshal is in the back and under the supervision of HOD we are preparing the video. So this is a kit, please come closer. This is a kit. A kit consists of 25 test strips. These are 25 strips. This is a pack of buffers. This is a buffer tube. These are swabs for sample collection. These are nozzles. And in the end is a paper stand. Ankita, please come and join us.
Thank you, sir.
These are our buffer stands. Buffer is sealed. This is our test strip. This is looks like a nice kit. It comes with a control. I am opening the kit. This is the test strip. They will have two. This is control. Here a control line has to come, and this is a test line. This is a sample port where we will be adding the sample. This kit comes with good technology. This is a silica gel. Here there are two dots, yellow dot and green dot. Yellow dot is for the valid kit and green is for the invalid. We need to see the color of these silica beads. So I can see the color is something yellowish brownish, so that the kit is okay. It is valid to use this kit. Now checking all these and arranging the things, I'll ask Dr. Ashutosh to lie down and we'll collect a sample from him. Ashutosh, please come. Akshay will go and collect the sample.
So in this, we have to take nasopharyngeal swab. So I have a nasopharyngeal swab. Gently, patient is lying in 70-degree angle. Gently will put the swab inside. Just rotate it. Now done. Sample has been taken. Now this sample will be put in the book.
This is a sealed vial. I'll open the buffer. Dr. Akshay will hand over to me. This is a swab. I'll slightly press the neck of the vial here and I'll rotate it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This goes into a hypochlorite. And please open the nozzle box. I'll take one nozzle and I'll attach one nozzle to it. I'll keep this thing in my plate. Now this is my test system. I'll just slightly clear the area. This is the well in which I am supposed to add 3 drops of the buffer. I'll add buffer. 1, 2, 3. I'll keep the buffer back. And now we need to wait, as this is a membrane. We can see it is moving. Now this is for the control line, this is for the test line. In a test, the control line should come positive. In the test, if test is positive, it will come positive line, or if it is negative, there will be no line. So let the things move. And as per the document of the kit, we need to wait for 15 to 30 minutes before reporting it as negative or positive sample. Okay. Now as you can see, a slight line has started to already come in the control. I'll remove this strip. This test we did some half an hour time back. So as you can see this, we have a control, we have a test, and once we have done the test, this is a sticker sheet provided with the kit. I'll take out one sticker and I'll put it here for the biosafety and biosecurity reasons. So now it's a sealed cavity. We'll wait for some time, and based on the kit interpretation, we'll report it as positive or negative. These are the interpretations given with the kit, and we can have a look what it is. I'd like to thank all my team members for the video.